This is Chinmay Das from Ethereal Elixir, and in this episode we are going to try Shrikhand. I learned this recipe from one of my friends, Smita. Smita and her husband Dheeraj used to stay here in New York, New Jersey area, but a couple of years back they decided to move back to India and settle down there. So this episode is for you, Smita and Dheeraj. So friends, let's try it. To prepare Shrikhand, we need to strain the yogurt. This yogurt came out real good. It's real thick. But still there is a lot of water in it. We can use a yogurt strainer or a cheesecloth. I'm using a strainer here. I also strain the sour cream using a cheesecloth. And I let it strain for 12 to 24 hours in my refrigerator. And wait till next day. After 24 hours, I have all ingredients ready here. Let me zoom in my camera and show you the ingredients. Very few ingredients. I have few pistachio here, 3 pinch of saffron, 10 green cardamom. I'm using the mortar and pestle to powder it, and confectioner's sugar. So let's keep the dry ingredients aside and work on the wet ingredients. I have cream cheese, sour cream and yogurt. The yogurt is strained out, so water on the bottom bowl, and here the sour cream. It's on a cheesecloth for 24 hours, so it really dried out and it looks like cottage cheese. I have yogurt, sour cream and cream cheese. So I get my mixing bowl with a hand whisk. I add half cup, which is nearly 115 gram of cream cheese, and 1 cup of sour cream. So the ratio of cream cheese, sour cream and yogurt is 1:2:3. 1 portion of cream cheese, 2 portion of sour cream and 3 portion of yogurt. So first goes the cream cheese and sour cream, and I use the hand whisk to blend in good so that there is no lumps of cream cheese. I'm not trying to incorporate any air here. I'm just trying to blend them good. Then I move to the silicone spatula and fold it in, and I add 3 portion, that is 1.5 cup of yogurt. Again, fold it in real good. So using the silicone spatula, keep folding. It will take additional 3-4 minutes, and then once all of them blend in together, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of confectioner's sugar. So confectioner's sugar has cornstarch in it, so it is relatively less sweet compared to regular sugar. If you are making a powder sugar at home, then you may need to use little less. So fold them in real good, and then goes the green cardamom powder. I did not add the skin, only the powder. Fold it in real good, and then we'll add our star ingredients, which is 3 pinch of saffron. So if you notice, I'm not using saffron water or saffron milk, rather I add direct saffron. So this way it gives a contrast of color, like white, yellow, and when we add the few flakes of pistachio, which will be green. So it will look real good when you plate it or when you serve it to your guests as a dessert. So now this is all ready. I am going to use a cling wrap to cover it, seal it from all sides and refrigerate for 8 hours. If you want to use like airtight container, that is also good. After 8 hours, Shrikhand is ready, and I have served it in this bowl. So here you can see, it looks divine, it looks elegant, it looks so beautiful. That is white, yellow, green. So you can serve it in these bowls and have it with puri, or you can serve to your guests using the short glasses. So however you serve it, but must try this recipe, and this is very simple recipe. Try it and do let me know how it turns out.
Hey guys, it's Nishka Das, and I'm going to be trying the Shrikhand. It has pistachios on the top and it has saffron. It kind of looks like an ice cream milkshake, and this where the pistachios are kind of looks like it's whipped cream in it, but there's no whipped cream. So let's try it. It's hard to get it out without spilling it. Mmm. It's really creamy and it tastes sweet and it's a dessert. And it also tastes really good with all the pistachios on it. Mmm. It tastes sweet as well as sour. So it looks really good and I can't stop eating it. This is not my dad's recipe. This is Smita Auntie's recipe, one of my dad's friends. So thank you, Smita Auntie, for sharing the recipe. Please subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to smash that bell icon to get more notifications. Bye!